So, good evening. This is our presentation for the topic of Cat3 and Aspen Plus software application by Group 6. Aspen Plus is a process of modeling software widely used in chemical engineering for simulations, optimization, and design. Cat3 is not a software application but rather a conceptual framework or approach to process development. Cat3 and Aspen Plus can be used together to enhance process development and optimization.
History Cat3 software. The development of Cat3 can be traced back to early days of thermodynamics and fluids. Mechanics research, where engineers and researchers were struggling with the manual calculation of thermodynamic properties of different fluids. In the late 20th century, advancement in computing and numerical methods led to development of software programs that could perform these calculations more efficiently, and Cat3 was one such innovation. So, discuss the evolution of Cat3 software. How has it contributed to advancement in thermodynamic simulations, and what are its primary applications in engineering? Cat3 software has evolved significantly to support and precise thermodynamic simulations. Initially developed for basic heat and mass transfer modeling, it now integrates advanced algorithms for complex systems analysis. Its key contributions include improved accuracy in predicting energy, efficiency, and material behavior under various thermal conditions. In engineering, it is widely used in HVAC system design, energy system optimization, and thermal, thermal analysis in aerospace and automotive industries.
Sabi pa yan, Vincent. Compare and contrast the development of Cat3 and Asper software, where the driving forces behind the selection of each software is proper.
Ro, lapit mo pa ng konti, medyo sabog.
Yakin yan to. Next mo na yan, next mo na yan. Ay, nang akin yan, chemical, pre. Explain the role of Aspen Plus software in chemical engineering industry. How does it contribute to process optimization, energy efficiency, and environmental sustainability in large-scale industrial applications? Aspen Plus is powerful process simulation software developed by Aspen Technology in 1980s. Originally based on research conducted at MIT, it has since become one of the most widely used tools in chemical, petrochemical, pharmaceutical, and energy industries for process simulation, design, and optimization. Next, Aspen Plus software. Aspen Plus plays vital role in modern chemical engineering by enhancing process environmental.
Lapit ng konti, pre, medyo sabog. O,
It
pakilakasan.
Its comprehensive simulation capabilities make it indispensable for optimization production, conserving energy, and achieving environment compliance in large-scale industrial operations. Okay na.
Applications of CAT3 software. CAT3's primary application lies in the analysis and optimization of thermodynamic cycles and fluid properties. Its user-friendly interface and extensive thermodynamic data make it a go-to tool for professionals involved in energy, HVAC, and refrigeration systems. Applications of CAT3 software. Josh, paki-zoom nga. I-zoom mo konti. Thermodynamic and heat transfer analysis. CAT3 is widely used to simulate thermodynamic cycles such as Rankine and Brayton cycles. Engineers use the software to evaluate the performance of various cycles under different operating conditions and fluid choices. The tool enables the user to calculate efficiency and optimize system parameters. Energy design. CAT3 allows for users to model power generation systems, cooling systems, and heat exchanges. It helps engineers determine the most energy efficient setups for HVAC and refrigeration systems by analyzing behavior of different fluids in a system. In this way, CAT3 contributes significantly to designing systems that are both energy efficient and cost effective. Educational tool for thermodynamics. Due to its graphical presentation and extensive thermodynamic tables, CAT3 is commonly used as a teaching aid in academic institutions. Students studying thermodynamics can use the software to simulate thermodynamic processes, understand the behavior of fluids under varying conditions, and gain practical insights into energy systems. Simulation of refrigeration and HVAC systems. In industries dealing with HVAC systems or refrigeration, CAT3 provides detailed data on refrigerant properties. Engineers and designers can use it to select the appropriate refrigerant, optimize the system's performance, and estimate energy consumption.
Next, advantage and disadvantage of CAT3 software and Aspen Plus
Akin
software.
yan, pre. Ulit.
Game.
Advantages and disadvantages of Cat3 software and Aspen Plus software. Advantages of Cat3 software. Accurate thermodynamic data. Cat3 provides precise and reliable thermodynamic property data for a wide range of fluids. This makes it a valuable tool for engineers involved in the design of and optimization of thermodynamic cycles and energy systems. So, nakapokus siya sa accurate na thermodynamic data na ginagamit ng engineers para makalculate yung heat and na napoproduce ng isang machine. So, user-friendly interface. Cat3 has an intuitive and easy-to-use interface, making it accessible to engineers and researchers who may not have extensive experience with complex thermodynamic calculations. Its graphical representation of data helps users understand fluid behavior quickly. So, madali siyang gamitin and pag-aralan ng mga new users kumpara sa ibang software. So, educational value. As a teaching tool, CAT3 helps students visualize and understand complex thermodynamic concepts, making it a popular choice in academic institutions. It enables students to run simulations and analyze thermodynamics cycles in real life. So, naggamit din siya sa educational value kasi nasisimulate yung process ng thermodynamics gamit yung app na to. And then, efficient thermodynamic cycles Analysis. Engineer can use CAT3 to model and optimize thermodynamic cycles, helping them design more energy-efficient and cost-effective systems, particularly for HVAC and refrigeration systems. So next, disadvantages of CAT3 software. Limited 3D modeling capabilities. Although CAT3 offers a graphical representation of thermodynamic properties, it lacks advanced 3D modeling and simulation capabilities that are available in newer, more comprehensive software tools. This limits its application for more complex systems designs. Outdated technology, CAT3 has not evolved significantly in recent years to keep pace with advancements in software technology. As such, it may lack features such as integration with building information modeling or BAM, and may not fully support the latest advancements in computational fluid dynamics. Specialized use. CAT3 is highly specialized and may not be suitable for engineers working on general purpose design tasks outside of thermodynamics and heat transfer. It focuses on specific engineering disciplines, limits its versatility compared to more general purpose software.
Next, advantage of Aspen software. The advantages of Aspen Plus software is the comprehensive process simulations, as Aspen Plus is an industry-leading tool for stimulating and optimizing chemical process. It supports a wide range of unit operational and chemical reaction, allowing engineers to model and simulate entire product system. An extensive database with a large database of chemical and material. Aspen Plus allows engineers to simulate a wide range of chemical process and mixture accurately. This is particularly useful for industries like petrochemical, pharmaceutical, and energy production. And its integration with other tools, Aspen Plus integrates well with other Aspen Tech products such as Aspen HY/SYS for process design and Aspen optimization for performance improvement. This enables company to perform comprehensive process design, simulation, and optimization. Energy and environmental benefits. Aspen Plus supports sustainability efforts by enabling the simulation of energy efficient systems and the modeling of carbon capture, biofuel production, and waste treatment. This helps companies meet sustainability target and reduce operational costs. Customization and flexibility. Aspen Plus allow users to customize process model and integrate them with real data, offering a level of flexibility that is valuable in larger scale complex projects. Disadvantages of Aspen Plus software. Aspen Plus software has a high cost, is an expensive software solution with the cost associated with licensing, training, and hardware. This can be a significant barrier for small companies or academic institutions with limited budget. Steep learning curve. Despite its powerful capabilities, Aspen Plus has a steep learning curve, especially for those new to process simulation. Engineers may require extensive training to effectively use all of its features. And the disadvantages of Aspen Plus software, its complexity. Aspen Plus is a highly specialized and may be overkill for small projects or those that do not require detailed chemical process simulation. For simple tasks, its complexity may be seen as a disadvantages. And the system requirement, Aspen Plus demands high computational power which can be a limitation for smaller organization or institution with insufficient hardware resources. The software complexity may also lead to long simulation times for a large scale processes.
So, so that is all to our presentation. Thank you for listening. That is all.